Hi there, I'm Mark Connolly, the founder and owner of myorigins. Thank you for coming to our page. The purpose of this video is an impromptu tutorial, I guess, on how to use it. So basically, as it says on the tin up here, it's expert tracing of your direct ancestry or whatever else you look to commission wherever you live. So if you were born in Britain or Ireland, or you're an expat, or if you're one of the millions of members of the global diaspora in Australia, Canada, the United States, New Zealand, etc., then we are the place to come to, because we'll connect all those dots, find all the records in all those places, and give you a complete family tree of verified records. So it begins with Tree Grower, which is a great starting point if you haven't actually done anything, but you know the basics. Or, as is the case of most of our clients, you are an extremely experienced user, you've been at this for years, a couple of dead ends, you want to verify it all, you want to sign off on it. Well, we'll do that professionally and find any additional records that you've missed, especially official family records, which are often hard to find online and inexpensive. So we will take care of that for you. And Deep Past is another service. You can buy all these services individually or collectively in a package, depending on what you're looking to do. So you can start off, dip your toe in, or you can buy it all and we'll take care of it from there. Deep Past will find your all the nuggets, basically, of genetic information. They're often hidden from those reports that you get, and sometimes they can be disappointing or even overwhelming. So we'll take care of that, do all the hard work for you, and connect the dots. And then once you've got all of that, Heirloom is a family history book, archive quality paper. It's guaranteed by the people who make the book to last 100 years. I'll put together all the content myself, which means it'll be significantly cheaper. It's the same book made by Ancestry's pro genealogists. Same material, same manufacturer, but 10% of the £20,000 price they would charge you for a lot fewer pages than the 120 that we begin with. And if you just simply want a family photo book, well, you have this option here, which is much cheaper and will simply transform your black or white or damaged pictures into glorious colour. There are multiple examples of prior clients who very kindly allowed me to show some of their work on this homepage. Or if you just want to send me an email, just go right here and type in your information, and I'll get right back to you. But the best place to start is with Tree Grower, and that'll tell you the basics of what we do.